Hi, Neri Life Choma here from the Birth Coach Method, and I'm here to remind you that this is our last day to join the Prenatal Essentials Workshop and join the early bird discount. Last day, you can continue and enroll after today, but you will not enjoy the discount. And I wanted to tell you that the workshop is really, really unique. While most workshops for birth support professionals are focused on hands-on techniques and the support that we provide our clients during childbirth. This unique workshop is focusing mainly on the prenatal period, which I think is really the window of opportunity that we have to elevate our clients' readiness, preparedness, confidence, conviction that they can achieve what they want. And then when we get to support them in labor, to actually just cheer for them and see how beautifully they are conducting themselves to achieve their desired birth experiences. It is also for postpartum doulas. You also can enjoy um, so much more in your practice when you are not engaging in many, many hours of hands-on support, even in postpartum, and are becoming the coach, the transformational coach, the one that really helps set up the mindset and the performance level and the confidence, and fostering the commitment of your clients to what they say that they want. And we're doing it with amazing um, conversational coaching, with coaching strategies, transformational coaching strategies, and with coaching exercises that I can't wait to teach you. Okay, so don't forget, today is the last day for the early bird registration, and I so look forward to seeing all of you and help you advance your practice, reduce the physical burden, reduce burnout levels, and increase your satisfaction when you actually get to celebrate so many of our clients that achieve their desired experiences, because this is the best. It's what motivates me. It's what makes me move and continue doing my work for 24 years, when I actually get to celebrate my clients achieving their desired experiences. I'll see you in the workshop. Bye for now.